Turkish 30 Delta Heavy, traffic on a 13 mile final, wind 230 at 10, runway 22 right at Whiskey, clear of takeoff. Turkish 30 Delta, just cancel takeoff clearance. Looks like you're on taxiway Papa, sir.
Papa on the runway, Turkish 30, that's okay.
And Turkish 30 Delta Heavy, you can taxi at Papa, and then turn right on Echo, hold short of runway 22 right.
Take it runway via Papa, and Echo, right, Whiskey, so that's.
And Turkish 30 Delta Heavy, traffic is on a 5 mile final, cross runway 22 right at Echo, then right on Bravo.
First runway right over Echo and turn right over Bravo.
And Turkish 30 Delta Heavy, would you like to taxi back to the runway to try it again? All right, Turkish 30 Delta, continue at Bravo and Romeo.
Bravo and Romeo, meeting 5.
And Turkish 30 Delta, will you be ready upon reaching, or you need a couple of minutes to reset?
5.
All right, no problem. Romeo, hold short of Whiskey.